I'm back today to bring you guys beautiful stuff. So I have a guest today, a beautiful, gorgeous superstar actor, actress, Judith. So I can't wait to bring in my guest for you guys so you can do something together. Today I'm a guest on paschaline YouTube show. Hi guys! Hi darling. Hi. On Igbo channel, kind of. We are you see why I'm teaching you all the time. You don't want to learn. Say Adimoma. Yes, guys, don't mind her. She's not Igbo, but she said she wants to come to my YouTube and learn how to speak Igbo, that she wants to support the ministry. Yeah. So I'm about to teach her colors in Igbo language. Okay. That is agba in Igbo language, or you call it agba in Igbo language.
Agba
or agwa.
Agwa
in Igbo language. That is colors.
Agua means colors.
Yes.
Okay. Agua
means okay. So today we have black.
Okay.
Black in Igbo is called oji.
Oji. The thing that a lot of people think I'm Igbo.
Yes, no. But no, I have to teach you. You can never tell. You might have a baby boy in Igbo land.
I don't mind.
So we have black in Igbo is called oji.
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 Yes. Black. I'll ask you later, so be remembering.
Okay, I'll try.
White in Igbo is called ocha.
Oji. Ocha.
White ocha.
White ocha. Black oji.
Yes. White ocha. Black oji. We have blue. Anono.
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 Blue. Anono.
Blue anono.
Yes.
Okay.
Gold. Gold, like gold earring, you know. Gold is called oledu.
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 Gold.
Gold.
Oledu.
Oledu. Oledu.
Oledu no catch you.
Oledu.
No, it's not oledu. What's that? Which one is oledu?
Look at me.
Oledu.
No, oledu.
Oledo.
Olaedu.
Olaedo.
What am I hearing? Inedo.
We have.
I think I need to get the accent first.
Yes, you have to have the Igbo accent so you can get the main pronunciation. Okay. We have gray. Gray color in Igbo is nzunzu or ntonto.
Nzuzu
or ntonto.
Okay.
Nzu or nto.
Nzu or ntu.
Confirm. Brown in Igbo is called aja or uri.
Brown, aja or uri.
You have to, do the way I'm doing. Aja or uri.
But why do I have to put on swag?
No, when you are speaking Igbo, you speak it with ease.
So much pride. People have pride.
We love it. I
understand.
with ubu.
I understand.
So we Igbo with ubu.
I think I have to raise my shoulder.
Brown is aja or uri.
Brown, aja or uri. Come on.
Oh, bola.
After this, I'm having an Igbo name.
Okay, Igbo give
Olaedu.
Oh, Chinasa. Okay, we have pink, Uhie, ocha or ire.
Hey, God.
Uhie, ocha,
Uhie
ocha.
Uhie ocha.
Uhie ocha.
Uhie ocha.
Ire.
Uhie ocha.
Uhie ocha or ire. That is the meaning of pink in Igbo.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
We have silver. Silver is ola ocha.
Ola ocha. Sounds like a name.
Yes, people.
But
Even
silver is actually a
Oledo.
name.
Yeah, Oledo too is a name in Igbo language. Silver, ola ocha.
Ola ocha.
Ola ocha.
Ola ocha.
You dey check am in afo. Okay, yellow is edo.
Edo.
Yes, yellow.
Edo.
Yeah, edo.
Orange.
Yellow, not orange.
sorry.
Yellow is
Yellow.
edo.
My teacher is very wicked.
No, say onye nkuzi m gbara wicked, gbara ajọ mmadụ.
Onye nkuzi bara mmadụ.
Otu. Green, akwụkwọ ndụ. Green, akwụkwọ ndụ.
Green, akwụkwọ ndụ.
Akwụkwọ ndụ. Mmemme.
Red, meme, obara.
Yes, red, mmemme or obara.
Meme or obara.
Oh my God! Orange, uhie edo.
That sounded like one other color.
Yeah, the pink. The pink is uhie ocha.
Okay.
Orange is.
To know that my head is there.
Yes, but so I go like container so home very evil.
Huh?
Just the. Anyway, let me be teaching you so you'll be learning. So that when you go outside, you will tell people that this is how Igbo people pronounce colors. Because this space is not just for my Igbo people. I want to be bringing in people.
Okay.
Orange, uhie edo.
Uhie edo.
Or nchara. Orange, uhie edo. Or nchara.
Uhie edo or nchara.
Uhie edo.
Uhie
Edo. Or nchara. Purple, mmiri eju. Or odo.
Mmiri is not water.
Mmiri is water in Igbo, but purple is called mmiri eju or odo.
Mmiri eju or odo.
Why are you now talking lower? Purple, mmiri eju or odo.
Because I'm trying to.
Okay, mmiri eju.
Mmiri eju odo. Abi?
Mmiri eju.
Mmiri eju
or odo.
Mmiri eju or odo.
Okay. So that's the end of the colors that I'm teaching today in Igbo. So should I ask you questions? Can you get them?
Can we go by it again one more time?
Black is called what in Igbo?
It's far. Ojiri.
No expose, please.
Ojiri. Ojiji.
0.
White is called what?
Ocha.
Correct! Oh my God!
1/10.
Gold is called what? That one that you said that sounds like a name. Gold.
Like Inedo. Remember Inedo?
Gold is a nyedo. Hey! Gold is Oledo.
I was even giving her expo.
Oledo.
Kedu nke Oledo. Anyway, ndị be anyị abịago na njedebe ụbọchị nke tata. Ama m na unu niile ga-aghọta ihe a na-akpọ colors in Igbo: blue, red, obala, meme, anu, ehotago, and amamna. Judith, tata, potakoroni, kuziria. Judith, did you understand everything that we taught you today?
Partially.
But if you live here, you will come on our channel,
yes,
and you learn how to speak more Igbo and everything, so that tomorrow you can be able to tell somebody, okay, red is obara, blue is anu, gold is oledo, yellow is ededo, yeah?
Yes.
So, Ndivine, we're going to jedebe nkuzi anuma. So, thank you for watching. Anyway, Judy Tanara, inara hoti Igbo, but nga siya na unubanya, gome ko maka inara hota so in here also, but nga kawarage.
No, how do you say subscribe?
Igbo language.
Or like and comment in Igbo language.
Okay,
Teacher.
in Igbo. Okay, that's what I want to teach you now. Okay, ndị bany, anyị abịago na njedebe nkuzi a tata. Aga m achọ ka unu kpaa aka na like button.
What's like?
Pakana.
Like.
If you like somebody in Igbo, like I like you in Igbo, what do you say?
Kpaa aka n'ebe emere otu a. Say it na. Kpaa na aka ebe emere otu a.
Kpaa na aka ebere mo. Ebe what?
Emere otu. Kpaa na aka na like button.
Kpaa na aka na like bucket.
Comment ya anụ.
Kpaa na aka na like
What is
button.
comment?
Dee n'ihe. Comment ya anụ.
Teacher, what is comment?
Comment ya anụ.
Comment yano.
Share nụ.
Share.
Share in Igbo is kere nụ nye everybody.
Caring everybody.
Kere nụ onye ọbụla. Gwa onye ọbụla share ya nye gwa onye ọbụla about it.
Onye ọbụla about it.
Then subscribe zianụ.
Then subscribe Ziano.
You did not know what is subscribe, you don't know what is comment,
Like,
you don't know what is share.
comment.
Like,
Teacher, I am 20 over 100.
No. Wow,
Thank
bye.
you. Hey, what is thank you?
Daalụ nụ.
Daalụ nụ.